Hi, welcome to the lesson. We're reviewing grade 4 math remote learning, week 4, day 2. And in this video, we're going to be looking at the story problem. So Tina collects cans to recycle at a supermarket. Last week on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, she collected 37 cans each day. On Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, she collected 43 cans each day. Tina gets 5 cents for every can she can recycle. So there's a lot of information in there. And it's important to organize that. So I've transferred this over to my notebook so I can start working on organizing some of the information. So first of all, there are 3 days, and it'd be helpful to make sure that you list out each one. So Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, she's collecting 37 cans each day. Where did my, 37, and then there are 4 days. Yeah, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and she collected 43 cans each of those days. Okay, so a couple. So we're going to want to know. Our first question. They want to know how much money Tina got for her cans last week. Well, to find that, our first step is going to be that we're going to have to uh, calculate the total number of cans that she collected before we can do anything else. So there are a couple different ways that you can do that. You could just add them all together. You could, it's not letting me, you could try adding them together. You can multiply 3 times 37 and 4 times 43. That'll be a little bit more efficient way to do that. Take a look at the numbers though, see if you notice any patterns, see if there's maybe an easier way you can do that. Once you have your total, then you're going to need to multiply that by the amount of money she gets for each can. So first of all, we're going to have to find the total number of cans. That's going to be step 1. Then we're going to have to multiply by the amount per can. Now notice that they say she gets 5 cents for every can. With as much as she's collecting, she's going to have several dollars. So keep that in mind when you're doing the calculation. You're going to have to go from cents to dollars. So are you going to multiply by cents? Are you going to instead multiply by dollars? So that's going to be a decimal. How are you going to do that? Because either one's valid as long as you make sure that you pay attention to what units you're using. And then in part B, it says that Tina keeps $5 for herself, and then she divides the rest of the money evenly among her 3 brothers. So whatever you find for part A, you're going to want to subtract $5 from that, and then you're going to need to divide by 3. So for part A. And then for part B, subtract $5. Again, keeping in mind that whether or not you calculated cents or dollars in the first up above. So those are the steps that you're going to need to follow. Again, when you start out, take a look at these numbers and think if there's what's the easiest way for you to find how much or how many cans she collected. I'm not going to go through solving the whole thing. I want you to try to do the math on your own, because I think everybody should be able to complete that math. But I wanted to give you those things to think about. So take a look at it, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or your homeroom teacher. And I hope you enjoy working on the problem.